Sairam children, ready for English class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I
Ma'am.
hope. Yes, I hope you're fit and fine and staying safe at home. Do
Yes,
not come
ma'am.
out of your house and stay safe at home and enjoy your studies. So let us begin today's class with three Omkarams. So join your hands. Om. Yes, Sairam children. So we were doing the lesson, the talkative barber, and yesterday we had finished the reading part of it and the word meanings and the new words also. Okay, do you remember we have done that? Yes. And let us see what we have today. Today we will be doing the question answers mainly and little bit exercises from your textbook. Okay. So shall we begin, children?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For that I need to present my screen. So give me a minute. Yes. Has the screen loaded?
Yes, ma'am. It
Sorry.
is come. Thank you. Screen has come.
Okay. I'm sorry. That was the last one.
Yes, ma'am.
This
It has come.
should. Yes. Good. Now let us get on with the question answers. Yes. Has the question answer page come?
Yes, ma'am. It has come.
Yes. Very good. So today we will be doing the question answers for Unit 6, the talkative barber. Now the first question, I would like you to read the answer. I will read the question. I would like you to read the answer. Question number 1. How many brothers did the barber have? Answer. Can you read it?
The barber had 6 more brothers.
Yes, the barber had 6 more brothers and he was the seventh one. Okay, good. Now, next question is, why was the Sultan in a hurry? Remember, he was in a hurry. Why? Read the answer.
The Sultan was in a hurry because had an important work to do. That is, he had to arrange for the upcoming feast to serve the guests.
Yes. That means Sultan was in a hurry because he had arranged for the, remember, he had arranged for the feast and his guests were about to come. So he was telling the barber to hurry up because he had to make arrangements for the guests to come. And so he had to go out. So he was in a hurry. Next, question number 3. Why did the barber take so long to shave the Sultan? Answer, please read it.
The barber took so long to shave the Sultan because he kept on talking continuously and did his work very slowly.
Yes, we all know it that he was a chatterer and he used to talk a lot. Whenever he started doing his work, he would always talk and not do his work, and he was doing very slowly. So that is why he took so long to shave the Sultan. Now the next one is write true or false. Now here you can see the gap. At the end of each sentence, you will be said, will have to say it is true sentence or false according to the story. So let us see. First you will tell me the answer, then we will check it. The barber was shaving the Sultan's beard. Beard means दाढ़ी. Okay? दाढ़ी बनाने आया था नाई. Is it true?
No, No.
देन क्या करने आया था?
Head shave करने आया.
यस, उसको हेड शेव करने आया था. दिस इज फॉल्स. गुड. नेक्स्ट, द सुल्तान गेव हिम 3 gold coins.
No.
सोने के सिक्के दिए थे. Yes, he said to give.
At the end.
Yes, at the
Yes.
end, because he was fed up and said, give him 3 gold coins and इसको भगा दो. मुझे आज नहीं करना. इतना टाइम लगा रहा है.
उसको कुछ नहीं देना चाहिए था मैम.
Yes. The third one is the barber refused to leave the Sultan's palace. बार्बर छोड़ के जाना नहीं चाहता था क्योंकि उसका काम खत्म नहीं हुआ था. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is true. And let us see fourth one. There were 7 brothers all together in the Sultan's family. सुल्तान के 7 भाई थे.
No.
No, it is false. तो किसके 7 भाई थे? Who had 7 brothers?
Baba had.
Yes, the barber. 9 के 7 भाई थे. Let us check the answers. First is false. That means barber came to shave the Sultan's beard. That is false. Next, the Sultan gave him 3 gold coins. Let us check. Yes, it is true. He gave the gold coins. And the third one is the barber refused to leave Sultan's palace. Is it true? You said yes. Yes, it is true. Correct. And the fourth one, the Sultan had 7 brothers. Yes, this is false. So you gave all the answers correctly. Very good. Now the next question. What are the things the Sultan gave to the barber? So क्या क्या चीजें दिए थे सुल्तान ने बार्बर को? Yes, can you read the answer?
Yes, ma'am. The things that the Sultan gave the Baba were 3 gold coins, all the food cooked for his own feast, and also fruits for dessert.
Yes. So 3 things he gave. What are they? 3 gold coins. Then the food cooked. He remember the barber asked. Barber ने पूछा था कि मैं भी एक फीस देने वाला हूँ. And the Sultan offered कि तुम ये सारा खाना ले जाओ लेकिन अपना काम जल्दी खत्म करो. And in the end he also said that मीठे में क्या होगा? मीठे के लिए मुझे कुछ fruits चाहिए. Remember? And he brought the fruits and he took the fruits also. So these are the things the Sultan gave to the barber. And the last one, what did the barber tell about his brothers? Barber ने क्या कहानी बताई थी अपने भाइयों के लिए? Read the answer. Yes, children, can you read the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I was reading actually. Okay.
Okay.
The Baba said all his 6 brothers were talkative, and one was humpbacked, one was toothless, one was half blind, one was quite blind, one was deaf, and one had a speech defect.
Yes. Very good. He said this, that I have 6 more brothers and they all are talkative. सब बोलने वाले हैं और मैं ही चुप हूँ. और how are they? He gave qualities also. One is humpbacked, one was toothless, इसके दांत नहीं है. One was half blind, आंखों से ठीक से दिखाई नहीं देता था. One was quite blind, एक तो पूरा अंधा था. One was deaf, एक बहरा था. और एक को बोलने में प्रॉब्लम थी. So he gave this description about his brothers. Now the next part of it, has the word building page come to you? Has it loaded?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now let us see. Study the words in the first column and see the changes in them in the second column. The words in column 2 are opposites of words of column 1. So this is the word that it is the opposite. Okay, opposite word है. Column 1 ये वाला है. Can you see the left hand side column? Yes. And this column 2 is the right hand side column. This is the opposite word for these words. Okay. So can you read for me what is this word?
Yes, ma'am.
This is important. Important. And what is the opposite word for that? Please read it.
Unimportant.
Unimportant. Very good. Now the next, it is patient. And the opposite of it?
Impatient.
Impatient. Very good. Now the third word is pleasure. Pleasure. Now read the opposite.
Displeasure.
Displeasure. Very good. Now one thing I will ask you to notice. Can you see that? Just a minute. Can you see what is added for this to become the opposite word? Here the un. Un. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
And for the second one, I am, im. Im is added. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
And for this word pleasure, this word dis, D-I-S is added. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can see that the root words, if we add this prefixes, u and un, then I am, im, or dis, dis, then they become the opposite words of the root words. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are very important ones. We can make opposites of many words like this by writing, just joining these UNIM or DIS. So more examples are there. We will come to it. Now it is just that. Now write the opposites of the following by adding UN, IMM or DIS, dis. Now, what is the word? Now I will give you the, yes, now I will try to give you the answer. You read the words for me, okay? Today we will do opposite. You read the words for me and I will give you the answer for that. Because it is new for you, right? आपके लिए ये
Yes.
नई बात है. So I will give the answer. You read the words for me. So number 1,
Believe.
believe. तो इसके लिए आंसर क्या होगा? Disbelieve. Okay? Disbelieve. Okay. Now next. What is
Shave.
it? Shaved. Shaved यानी जिसका शेविंग हो गया. और इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? इसमें से UNIM और इसमें से unshaved. UN shaved. Unshaved. We will check the answers later on. Now number 3 is perfect. Okay. Okay. Sorry, आपको read करना था. You can read again. What word is this?
Perfect.
Yes, perfect. Perfect का opposite है imperfect. I am add होगा, ये हो जाएगा imperfect. So what things are added here? I will go on writing. Otherwise, we will keep forgetting. Okay, I will write here. क्या क्या add हो रहा है? I will just write it. DIS. Okay. Next, UN unshaved. Perfect में I am imperfect. Next, what is this word? Fourth one.
Satisfy.
Satisfy. Very good. इसका opposite होगा dissatisfy. ये DIS will be added. Okay. So this
Yes,
will be added. Next word. What is this? Can you tell me?
polite.
Polite. तो इसका opposite होगा impolite. I am add होगा इसके साथ. Very good. Next word, can you read this? Sixth word.
Yes, ma'am. Respect.
Yes, very good. Respect. Respect का opposite होता है disrespect. DIS. Okay, disrespect. Next, ये क्या है? सेवेंथ वन,
Pure.
प्योर. इसका ऑपोजिट होगा इम्प्योर. इम्प्योरिटीज सुना है ना आपने, जब फिल्टर का ऐड आता है, पानी में से सारे इम्प्योरिटीज दूर करता है और पानी को बनाता है प्योर. आपने सुना है ना फिल्टर के ऐड में, वो
Yes,
कैंट
ma'am.
या सब ऐड में. तो प्योर का ऑपोजिट होता है इम्प्योर. IM. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज व्हाट? एक्सपेक्टेड. राइट?
Expected.
यस. एक्सपेक्टेड यानी आपने जो सोच रखा है, और इसका ऑपोजिट होगा अनएक्सपेक्टेड, यानी जो आपने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था. अन ऐड होगा, UN ऐड होगा यहाँ पे, देखो ये UN. एंड द लास्ट वर्ड, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस?
Obedient.
ओबीडियंट. वेरी गुड. यानी जो बात मानता है. और इसका ऑपोजिट जो बिल्कुल नहीं मानता वो होगा डिसओबीडियंट. तो ये DIS ऐड होगा इसके साथ. So can you see from right from the beginning that what things are added? यहाँ पे dis, next un, then im, dis, im, then dis, im, un and dis. यानी ये वाले वर्ड्स के पहले ये वाले प्रीफिक्सेस आएंगे, तो ये ऑपोजिट बन जाएंगे इस वर्ड के, रूट वर्ड्स के. इट विल बिकम द रूट वर्ड्स, ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. We have to add these prefixes. Okay? Did you understand? Now let us check the answer. First one, believe is disbelieve, correct? Then second one is shaved ka unshaved. Third one, perfect ka imperfect. Fourth one, satisfy ka dissatisfy. Fifth one, polite ka impolite. Sixth one, disrespect, respect ka disrespect. Then the seventh one is pure ka impure. Eighth one, expected ka unexpected. And the last one, obedient ka disobedient. Okay? So we said all the answers correctly. Very good. I hope you will remember what are the opposites. Isn't it? I hope
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
remember. This is very new for it, but we have to keep on using. And that's all for today's presentation. We will come to the end of it and I will get back to you. Now children, as I always say, that the question answers what I have given to you, those are not the last in the world. वो दुनिया में एक आखिरी क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है. If you can write much better than this, आपको अगर लगता है कि आप इससे भी ज्यादा अच्छे लिख सकते हैं, then you are free to write and I will be very happy for your effort. Okay? आप ऐसा मत सोचना कि मैम गुस्सा हो जाएगी. आप बिल्कुल लिख सकते हो अपने आप से, लेकिन वो आंसर सही होना चाहिए. आपको अगर लगता है कि सही आंसर लिख रही हो, वेरी गुड, यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड यू कैन राइट योर ओन आंसर. लेकिन मैं क्यों आंसर लिख के देती हूँ? कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनको आंसर लिखने में प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो उनके हेल्प के लिए मैम एक लिख के देती है. लेकिन ये इसमें से आप सुधार भी ला सकते हो, इससे भी अच्छा लिख सकते हो, या तो दूसरे तरह से भी आंसर लिख सकते हो. यू आर फ्री टू डू दैट. मैम कुछ नहीं कहेगी, आपको अप्रिशिएट करेगी. ओके? सो
Yes, ma'am.
do you have any other questions today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we will come to the end of this class today, and you have to stay safe, and let us end with Shanti Path. Join your hands. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram children, we will meet in the next video.
I am, ma'am.
Yes.